Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlie and this is
Lovingly.
Mad Annoying. So basically you guys, this video is so long waited, but we'll be drinking. We have some cute little drinks. We're just gonna do our makeup. So if you guys will, I'll make sure that Liani's information is right here. It'll be down in the description as well. And yeah, so if you guys would like to see us make a complete fool of ourselves, make sure you keep on watching. Don't give me a lot.
Bro, I'm giving you a shot.
Okay.
That's a shot. I need to get rid of this anyway. This is
I
from
need
like
a
December.
freaking chaser, bro. We're not about this life.
What are we in? End of July. Cheering, obviously.
Cheer to life, greatness, success. Okay.
No.
No, let's take one more. One more shot, Liana. What? You okay?
I am okay, but this is shot number. Number 3. Cheers to me getting a man.
Cheers to that. So if you see like little thingies of my hair, it's because my thing's not glued down. I'm just letting the people know. You know, and I'm hungry. Alright. Show me what not to do.
Alright, so we're actually going to be talking about 2 things. Alright, let's talk about the first thing first.
No. Show me what not to do.
Alright, no, for real. We're going to be talking about a few things, but, well, we actually were talking about this earlier. I had put this on my Instagram. I asked the question. I said, alright, are you okay with your significant other, you know, going out at a club, just dancing with someone regular, just dancing, or not, and are you okay with your significant other going to strip clubs and dancing with the strippers and throwing money at them? I don't mind, you know, my boyfriend. What? Oh, that was the spray. I don't mind my boyfriend to go out and, you know, dance at a club. It's just an innocent dance, you know. But me personally, I wouldn't want my man to dance with strippers, you know.
I love strippers. My man, remember we talked about one day how like you look crazy.
I was supposed to do my eyebrows.
Yeah, I know. You know, when you a little tipsy, life gives you lemons and you make Kool-Aid.
That sounds about right, actually, though.
Right.
I'm oily, she's dry, but she still uses a matte primer, which is
terrible. I'm dry in the face. That's it.
Not what her boyfriend told me last night. Actually, I forgot to do my eyebrows again. Alright, let me do my eyebrows.
I don't know if it would just be better if I just take this off. I'm just saying because it's in my way and stuff. I'm just saying.
Charlie, you did not.
I'm just okay. I'll put it back on, but I need to after I blend this out. What? I'm just saying.
Charlie, you did not just take your wig off.
I'm just saying because I want to contour, like, you know.
Bro. Okay, yeah, you're drunk. You're definitely drunk.
No,
you're definitely drunk. I mean, you did take your wig off in the mall, so.
Oh, okay, we're just gonna tell the people my whole life, huh? I'm taking a honey bun break.
Clearly. Well, I got my eyebrows done, and the lady cut my eyebrows off a lot.
Don't even look like you got your eyebrows done. I'm just saying.
I got it done last week.
You guys, if you don't have this, go and get it. I'm telling you, I was lap. It'll change your whole life. Wait, maybe I should spray this. Oh crap! I should spray this stuff. The thing is, even though like I'm like a little tipsy, nothing too major, my makeup's gonna come out bomb. Like I'm sober. I'm really like a pro. I think I could put my wig back on. I bet y'all didn't even know this was a wig. Oh, if y'all need a wig, let me know. I make them. Liani makes them too, but this isn't her channel, so it's not about her right now. And besides, my wigs come out better than her wigs anyway, so she be asking me tips about how to do the wig thing. So, if you really want a wig, if you really want a wig, and you want to slay, and you want your boyfriend to like pull on the wig, but make sure the wig's the curve, hit me up. If you want your boyfriend to pull on the wig, but the wig come off, hit her up. I'm just shying. I usually.
Okay.
Okay, anyway.
But that's why I'm the one that makes everybody wigs, and
Oh, we're making everybody wigs. Oh wow.
Her friends, that's like her personal friends, come to me to make the wigs. Her personal friends
Picture that.
comes to me to make the wigs. So that just says how much this wig this wig
Don't touch me.
have rice or some chicken on my fucking wig. Alright, there we go.
Alright, we're back. She's done hating, hopefully, because this looks really bad on her.
Okay. Don't put me up there like that.
I am, Leon. So don't you worry.
Question that I was talking about that I had asked, what is worse? And it was actually, if you like follow the shade room, it was on there a couple weeks ago.
Let me tell you about Leonie in the shade room.
Leonie,
if you go in the shade room, Leonie posts is there. Like, go check right now, go check. Well, because I'm her friend, like she's like the last person that I see. But just I don't think you can find her by typing in her name, unfortunately. But just know, she has a comment for everything.
No, I don't.
It's pitiful.
So would you rather your husband to leave you? No. Would you rather your husband knock another woman up, or would you rather your husband leave you and say he's leaving you for another man?
Sips tea.
I ain't gotta sip no damn tea. I wish my man would leave me for another man.
You wasn't putting it down. You claim that thing is tight, but it's loose like
spitting.
Okay. I'm spitting, but that thing wasn't spitting. That was the problem. That thing wasn't spitting.
It's creamy.
I feel we're gonna go for a commercial right now. I don't care what nobody say. When it comes to men being gay, nobody is acceptable of that. Nobody.
So what do you say about all these men that's accepted, that's gay?
I think as long as they're coming out and they're not eating ass at night and coming home in the morning kissing their wife in the mouth, it's fine.
That's what I'm gonna ask you.
Question?
All these men out here that's gay that everybody know about?
They're fine. They're out. I salute that. I don't like DL men. Not cool, especially when you have a wife and kids. That's not cool. She's madly in love with you, but you in love with Billy. Her makeup usually don't look this bad when she's sober because
it looks bad.
Yes, you don't see it in the mirror.
I mean, I'm blending it right now.
I'm blendable.
Deep, bro.
Bro, I'm on. Wait, did I make myself happy? Bro.
Charlie! It's not hard to love a Leo.
You guys are complicated. It's always something. And you always talk about men is worse than women. After being your friend for how many years? You're really crazy.
Crazier than your boyfriend.
Yeah. Or maybe the same amount.
Yes.
Not, I'm sorry. I would like to correct her for friends and family that's out there. Not boyfriend, someone that I'm dealing with that, he's cool or whatever. So I just want to clear that up. Thank you. Going back to minding my business. We're going to take a moment. We're going to pray. Close your eyes. Lord, I want to come to you, Lord. Because we all know
we're going.
Sir?
Excuse me, Pop. Excuse me, Uncle.
Lord.
Excuse me, boy.
You gotta help her, Lord, because her foundation be foul, Lord.
Excuse me,
foul. So
boyfriend.
we want to come to you, Lord, and we want to make sure our foundation is popping today, Lord. Just for the video camera, because I want the people to come for the people of YouTube, because they will come for their ripper. And Lord, I don't know what I could do, Lord. So in Jesus' name, amen. I pray, I help, and I pray, and I love you, Almighty Lord, because you deserve all the praise. And I hope that you just bless her, Lord. Bless her, Lord, because she needs it, Lord. In Jesus' name, amen. I pray.
I have another question. Do you guys think that when you're dating someone, do you think that having a good relationship with your significant other family is like important, or like, you know, is that like a deal breaker for you? Do you have to have a good relationship with, you know, they gotta have a good relationship with your family?
I like this phone.
You gotta have a good relationship with their family.
Are you listening?
Excuse me. Wrong.
Fix my unibrow.
Me personally, I believe.
I fixed my unibrow. See, I just went like this. Swoop.
Barely.
Let me swoop yours. You're a hater.
It's okay, cause I'm already
honestly, for me to be tipsy a little right now, this is the best makeup I've ever done.
Yeah, okay. Alright, so let's get back to what I was talking about. Do you think that your family should, like, you know,
Lee, that looks good. You might need to get tipsy a little more often to your eyeshadow.
Oh! Alright. Wow.
Let me see that.
You'll be okay. That is a good thing, or that is important to have a relationship with your family and your significant other. Like, will you break up with them if they don't have a good relationship with your family, or will you like try, you know, try to make things work out?
As long as they're not being disrespectful,
yeah,
then no. Like, I'm grown as hell. Like, if
I agree.
If someone doesn't like the person I'm dealing with, then like, go deal with that by yourself. Like, I don't mean to sound rude, but everyone's not gonna like everybody, you know?
Right.
Okay. I got you. This is what I live for. Like, honestly, going to
Leonie's house.
Well, not even Leonie's house. Like, don't get me wrong. I like going to the, like, you know, club. I like going to the bar, but inside with like your
Leonie house.
Inside with your girl, whatever, plural, singular, is like really the best. Like, I don't know.
I get married next year because I want to be married for like 5 years and have kids in like 6 more years, which will bring.
I'm sorry to cut you off. I want y'all to know that Leonie's not getting married next year. She has like the worst luck with men.
No, I don't.
You do. It just don't last long.
I was in a relationship.
Yeah, that one. But you're like done with him to the point where it's like you're done with him. You know, like,
guy. I won't tell Charlie about a guy for 2 months. The second I tell Charlie about a guy, it doesn't work out. And I feel like she honestly be praying that like, it doesn't work out for me, because I don't tell nobody really anything. So when I tell Charlie, it's like, finally let somebody know, and then boom, I'll call her 5 minutes. I'm on the phone with her. Oh my god, I like him so much. He's so cute. He's so funny. Like, he's so romantic. 5 minutes later, after that, bitch, I'm on my way home. This nigga done pissed me the fuck off.
I know Leonie is just, she's not good with the men.
Men not good with Leonie. I don't look on my nose.
I'm in shock. I'm in shock. Leonie, please don't embarrass yourself.
Alright. Okay.
Please move. Please move.
Bro, why my fucking makeup look like this, bro? I do better makeup than Charlie.
Yeah, right. Makeup's trash. My makeup's better. This looks a little better.
Bitch, get on my fucking face.
I'm just letting you know it looks a little bad.
You gon' miss me when I'm gone. Ayo, CC, let me show you how to do a